Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you Libra? This video is for you for 2021, the entire year. We will be discussing your challenges and your divine guidances for sure, major events in your 2021. So stay tuned till the last because you will get to know some major information which you will get help on the way of 2021. And I would like to also say thank you to each one of you to actually watch my videos, and I'm reading each comment which you're sending and I appreciate that. Thank you. Also for the new watchers, thank you so much for joining in, and I hope all the videos help you to basically understand what's coming up in next year. And yes, I am a clairvoyant and a clairaudient, so I'm going to channel the messages from other dimensions to you, from your guardian angels to you, so that you get a better clarity of the next year. So let's start with your reading, Libra. I'm going to first intuitively channel the messages and then start with the tarot reading. Libra, your punishment which you feel that you're punished, some of you do feel that you are in a punishment zone. It's a karmic pressure for you. You feel that you're constantly facing the same problem. It's going to lift. It's going to give you some clarity that why it happened, or maybe even if not clarity, I'm getting that it's going to get lifted. Your past is over. So some of you were stuck in past. Could be love life, could be any karmic pressure, could be a health issue. It's getting over. Your worries are getting over regarding something. Your deep focus on something is shifting. Your challenges are also shifting. So I feel you were struggling in some sector of your life from a very long time, and now that is shifting. Your co-workers, like for some of you who are in jobs and who are always feeling a lack of support, now your co-workers will start supporting you. I think it is for a very small group of people, but then maybe your guides want to tell you this, that now wherever you have come as a new job or new area of work, your co-workers will support you. They want you to grow. So good support is coming your way. Your focus is shifting, and I think your energies are also shifting. So people will also tell you that you've changed. You don't look the same, or maybe you have changed as a person. Your energies have changed. Overall understanding of things have changed. Some people will sarcastically also tell you that you've changed. But you know it's for good. You know why you have changed. And the funny part is that a lot of fun coming in Libra. In 2021, it's going to be a fun time. Some of you can buy cars. I'm seeing buying cars, organizing your life. So you're introspecting that what is missing in your life, you're going to fill that space. And lethargy will go away. So I think you felt that weak or maybe stagnant. That is also going to go away. So 2021 will bring a great focus on yourself. Because if you say that 2021 is a total of 5, which is a year of sun. And I feel that you will feel that energy of sun within you. You will shine. Your partners will demand too much from you. Partnership will be demanding for you. For some of you, it's going to be a breakup also. Let's see. The first card I've got is King of Pentacles. You're going to become a King of Pentacles. Full with everything. Energy, money, consistency, organizing, planning. Very good energy for you. King of Pentacles is also practical and a very humble man. Understands nature, understands the necessity of life. So that's why maybe you are going to fill those spaces which are empty in your life. You're going to introspect, you're going to think, and you're going to change what is needed. And maybe your appearance, your presentations will also change because you feel it is needed. and already you're a sign of Venus, so presentation always matters to you. Though discipline also matters to you, quite organized. But then I think this year is for all about presentation. Let's start with your tarot reading. Let's see first what are the challenges coming in 2021 for you, Libra, so that you know how you're going to face them. Some of you have preconceived notions about you, that you don't stand out in public, or you don't have that confidence, or you're not that good, you're not that good looking person, or something like that is going to change. Your confidence will be back to you. So that's a struggle maybe that you're facing. What is the positive of 2021 supporting you? The luck. What is the divine telling you for the major event in 2021 for you, Libra? And the divine guidance for you for everything. I strongly feel that some of you will be mothers. So you'll be planning the family, and we have a 10 of Cups. So yes, you are going to plan the family, and this year it's going to happen. So I think this is a very fruitful year for you. And King of Pentacles also says that even if you're planning some good career, it is really going to reach heights. And that's why maybe you're getting promotions and the colleague support, or something which I said, that people around you will also support. Very good. Okay, so what's the challenge? Challenge is that you are a air sign, and so you need those emotions now. So it is also creativity, which I was just talking about. You're always on some how do even I say that? You need the cups, basically. You need to fill those cups. You need to address your emotions. So some of you are detached with your emotional life from a very long time. I'm not saying you were unhappy. It's just that those were unaddressed. And now you're feeling that I need that emotional touch in my life. That space which is empty, I want to fill it off. Because Queen of Cups is the major thing. Now I have got two queens. So that is Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups. So what you are supposed to do is the challenge is to moving from here to here. So you actually are understanding what is missing. Some of you creativity, some of you that beauty, because Queen of Swords is somebody who is maybe successful, is a businesswoman, working. But Queen of Cups is actually emotional. So addressing your own emotions and working on them is important. Now you're realizing it. That okay, I've been practical, I have achieved a lot, or maybe I've been working. But what about this? So in this year, your emotions will come out. Your creativity will come out. Also, you will feel like being emotional. For some of you, I'm feeling that you want to change your personality, lose weight, and beautify yourself. Why? Because you want to attract people. You are missing that attraction within you. You've become a businesswoman, you've achieved, but that feminine side, you've lost touch. So you have to be back. And people, this is not only for females, but males also. So I feel for males, it could be that you're too much into your work. You need to really get pampered. You need those emotions from females or attention from females. And you are working on your body now. You're working on your entire appearance. I think most of you have done good in your careers, but now it's about your personal life, your emotional life. The challenge is to coming back to that side, which is little challenging because you're air sign, but you will feel like changing. What is the positive side of 2021? So some of you, I think, are singles or maybe separated, and now you're looking for partner. I'm not even seeing marriage, I'm seeing only partner. So So you've achieved a lot, Libra, for sure. Now you want that partnership, a strong partnership. This card is of marriage or a union, but I'm not feeling intuitively that you're only looking for union or a marriage, you're looking for partnership. It could be sometimes you want options, you want that attention, and you're thinking about it. You're actually putting efforts to change yourself. Also, I have a Hermit card as a positive side. So you will get right insights about what has to be changed, and you will change. You will calculate every move. It's a calculative move which you're taking, because understand the tendency of swords do not change. So you will calculate things, but at least you will trigger your emotions. You will have a clarity that I have to change to get this emotional front, to get the attention of other side, and to get some partner in my life. So you're working on yourself. And that's why we have got King of Pentacles, because King of Pentacles believes in putting efforts and getting the results. So now that you have achieved that coin, now that you have achieved that empire, you have made your career, you have made things better, you're focusing on your personal life. So this is the plus you're getting, and most of you will get partnership by changing you. So you will change, and you're powerful. Most of you are very powerful in terms of manifesting. So you will manifest a good partner for you, a partner who's either into, which I'm getting intuitively again, either into music or dance industry or some entertainment industry, or maybe by nature they are like that. And it is very, very opposite to your personality in terms of the way you are seen by the world. You're seen like a Queen of Swords, but now you're becoming Queen of Cups. So you will receive a man like that. So whatever energy we have, we mirror the energy. So you receive the partner, the energy you have, because you're going to mirror it. So now you are changing so that you receive the mirror, which is interesting. And the universe is also showing you light there only on emotions. So you will see, you will understand your emotions. You will actually give importance to your emotions, that you need to get satisfied emotionally also. And you will receive some partner who will be really pampering you, taking you out for lunch and dinners. And I'm getting that vibe that you will love this phase, because you will be like, this is new. This is like a dating thing you could also do, some of you. And the colors and the cards are also telling me that it's all about dating, fun, and romantic dinners. And the vibe will be like, wow, this is what I wanted, everything I got, but I missed on this, but now I have this because I've worked on myself for this. So this is going to be the help or the major positive. What is the major event? Okay, so I feel that the people who were separated, they will finally get legal separation with that person, because we have Justice card over here. And I feel that the person you were with, maybe you were not happy because they were cheating on you, and now there's going to be a split. So the major event is you will actually remove that person from your life majorly. You will get justice of some kind for sure. By this person, by this partnership, you will get something. Also, I feel for some of you, your emotions were bound, you couldn't express, and now the justice is served, so you will express. And okay, I'm getting this also, that maybe whatever you turned out like a Queen of Swords, you can say that a very practical side of you came out, a very detached side of you came out. You know that your ex-partner or the relationship you were in has made you like that, and now you want justice. Now you are actually showing them the real face of you, that I am done with you, I want to get completely away from you because you have made me like this. So you're understanding the emotional game of this person and you are moving away. Also, for some of you, I feel that you will attract some trickster in your life because you are changing. So it could be possible that people get attracted with your beauty, with your personality, but then event would be a split. So even who was single, think before you welcome anyone in your life, because you will have that aura that people will get magnetically pulled to you. But if a trickster or emotionally weak person enters your life, it's going to be a split. So you have to judge a person or be with that person without attaching too much, because the energies are such that even just saying that some emotional thing will happen, but then it's going to be a split if the person is a trickster. So you have to be a little cautious. Otherwise, the one you were attached with but living separately, you're going to split. Yeah, I feel because you are going towards your emotional journey and you want to end this chapter before you actually completely change. What is the divine guidance for you? It's very clear that divine is supporting you completely, giving you a chance to change, to manifest the right kind of partner for you, and there is a relationship which is going to end. So I'm intuitively getting it's your last relationship. Very less would welcome somebody who's not right and then would end this relationship, but most of you will have the past ending and your emotions will be back to you. You will be offered 4 of Cups. So that offer of universe is there for you, that I'm giving you opportunity with 6 of Pentacles. So definite favor is coming from universe. Favor is coming from divine to meet a right partner and just fulfill your emotional needs. So Libra, you're absolutely focusing on your emotional needs or your creative needs. Also for people who are into creative industry or wanted to work in creative industry but were not getting it. Okay, strong message for some of you. People who were looking to work in media industry, people who were looking to work in beauty industry, you were not getting the opportunity. Why? Because your energy was not a creative energy, it was more of a sword energy. Now you have started addressing your emotions, and now that opportunity, because 6 of Pentacles is a very clear opportunity on the way for people like to make money also and to get an opportunity to enter that industry. And 4 of Cups is the divine power telling you to enter, because you are now in touch with your emotions. You're back to you. So you need to have emotional front if you want the creative energies with you. And so you can have the creative opportunities. And this is also a card of talent. So people who are talented enough but not getting opportunity, this is very clear that you have changed. You have changed yourself. You have to change in 2021 also, from swords to cups, from practical and very detached to attached emotions, creative, beautification, and your aura will attract this opportunity for you. So please comment in the entire year whenever you happen to get that opportunity and what changes you made in you, so that others also get an opportunity to understand this energy. And King of Pentacles as a theme of the year would be like you'll be making good money by change, and the struggle or the effort you need to take is to change yourself, nothing else. Also, I feel that for some of you, addressing emotions was like a tough work for you, because you got into certain situations in life where the practicality was needed. Either you had to start work, or you had to do jobs, or you had to do business to just survive, or to just move ahead. Now you've made good money, now you're a little financially good, so you are addressing it, and so you will get this opportunity also. It is super interesting. I feel that this year is going to give you the wish fulfillment job or project you were looking for, just by coming back to your emotional side. So keep your emotions up, guys. If you want any creative thing happen, if you want any romance, if you want any partnership, you have to have that within you to mirror it. Interesting. I hope you like my reading, Libra. This is absolutely about self-change, self-love. Yeah, I keep on posting my pictures on self-love because I completely believe in that now. The journey of my life is also relating to this, that it's transformation time and we have to change if we want the outside situations to change. So I hope you understand that energy and change yourself. Any other information you need, you can always message me. I can guide you on that. And personal consultations, all my videos, all my informations are uploaded on the description box, so you can definitely get in touch with me. But I feel this year is going to settle this energy so beautifully, so that you will understand that you were missing out on your emotions, and now that you have them, you are getting the opportunities of work as well as your partner, as well as somebody you wanted, that emotional side is going to be manifested. So all the best with that. And yes, happy times coming. It's 10 of cups. So yeah, it's going to be a happy year for you, Libra. Take care. Bye.